My name is Rohit. Today I am presenting a Capstone project on live class monitoring system, face emotion recognition. Are the contents of our project: introduction, problem statement, data summary, dependency, model creation, using deepface, CNN layer, ResNet 50. Loss and accuracy plot, deployment and Streamlit web app in Heroic and Streamlit, various prediction image for web app, challenges, conclusions, some real life experience from project. Then let's move to our production part. Basically, what is face emotion recognition? The face emotion recognition is a process of detecting the human emotion from facial expression. The human brain recognizes the emotion automatically, and software now being developed that can recognize emotion as well. These technologies become more accurate all time, and will eventually be able to read emotion as well as to a brain view. Then AI can detect the emotion by learning what each facial expression means, applying that knowledge to new information presented to it. Emotional artificial intelligence or emotional AI is a technology that capable of reading, estimating, and interpreting and responding to the human facial expression and emotion. Then why it why it's so important? Facial expression recognition or computer based facial expression recognition system is important because of its ability to mimic human facial expressions and other gesture, convey non-verbal communication, cause that the play of important role in in-person relation. Then what is the scope of face resolution? Basically, the face resolution is a growing as a major research area because of broad choice of application in the field of commercial and law enforcement. Traditional face recognition method based on visible spectrum are facing challenges like object illumination, pose variation, expression challenge, and facial disgust. Then let's move toward the problem statement. In problem statement, we can identify the student who need a specific specific attention. Digital classroom are conducted via video telephony software program, a Zoom meeting, where it not possible for medium scale class. Uh, what digital classroom are conducted via telephony. To see all the student are assess the mood because of drawback student is focusing content due to the lack of surveillance. Let's move toward the data summary. We have built a deep learning model which detect the real-time emotion of student through webcam, so that teacher can understand if the student are able to grab the topic according to the student. Then expression or emotion, and then deploy the model. The model is trained on the FAR 2013 dataset. This dataset consist of 35887 grayscale, 48 into 48 size, face image with 7 emotion: angry, disgust, fear, fearful, happy, neutral, and sad, surprise are the emotional. Then dependent are the dependencies of our project, like Python 3, TensorFlow 2.0, Streamlit, and Streamlit with um, model creation using deep face. DeepFace is a learning facial recognition system created by research group at Facebook. It identifies human face in digital image. The programming employs in 9-layer neural network with over 120 million connection. Data was trained over 4 million images uploaded by the users. Basically, what is CNN? Uh, on CNN has become a main method adopted in the field of face recognition. To simplify the CNN model, the convolution and sampling into a single layer based on the already trained network greatly to improve the recognition state. Then let's move towards the ResNet 50. Basically, ResNet 50 is a convolution neural network. Then in 50 layers, deep layer, you can load a pre-trained version of the network train on the more than 1 million the image from the image, not database. In pre-trained network can classify image into thousand object categories such as keyboard, mouse, and many animals. As a request that a network learn rich feature representation for a wide range of the image. The network has image into size of 2 to 4 by 2 to 4. Then let's move to the loss accuracy and precision plot using ResNet. Firstly, the graph is between accuracy and epoch. Uh, in this graph, the train accuracy has been constant and test accuracy at epoch 20 epoch period can be shuffled. Then another graph precision. The train precision accuracy has been stable, but test precision accuracy has been shuffled. And in loss accuracy plot using CNN. Uh, in this graph, the training loss should be increased at 1.8, and and in accuracy goes up to 8.8. Accuracy goes to 65. Then deployment of Streamlit Web in Heroic and Streamlit. We deploy the app in Streamlit, but some requirement we do not run app. So after that, we use Heroic and then we start deploy the app. If you saw the starting selection for GitHub repository, you see the app name Face 45. But it not deploy. We try much as possible, then put the link of app. But in local system is ran properly and app also fine. But we don't stop or we rectify the error and put a new app. We can capture a lot of images predicting image from the web app. Happy, disgust, fear, angry, sad, neutral, surprise, etc. Then when making a project, we have a lot of challenges like large image data set to handle. Could able to connect with Jupyter Notebook. Tried only the 3 method because of we don't have much of faster computer. Continuous runtime RAM crash due to the large dataset and careful tune hyperparameter. The conclusion of a project, the model which are created by the CNN layer gave train accuracy 66% and test accuracy of 56%. We have also included the video on my web app working in local code which are deployed our GitHub repository. Yeah, it was such as amazing and interesting project. We learned a lot from this. Some real life experience from the project. We understand deep concept of a project and do not wait to failure. Never give up. Have some patience. Good thing happen. Try new things and execute our idea.